Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will show you how you can make a beautiful bedside reindeer lamp. So come, let's start with the video. So for this you need one empty bottle. You can take a bottle of any shape. Then we will take the white acrylic color and a big flat brush to paint the bottle. So first we will apply the white acrylic color. So here we will be needing 2 coats. Once the first coat dries up, we will apply the second coat. So we are done with the first base coat of the acrylic color. Now we will paint for the second coat. In place of the flat brush, you can also use sponge. So finally we are done and it has almost dried up. Now with the help of a pencil, we will draw the outline of the reindeer. But keep in mind one thing, don't press the pencil too much, because if you do so, it will take off the color. We are almost done with the outline. Now with the help of the thin black permanent marker, we will mark the outlines. Once we are done with the outlines, we will take the big flat black permanent marker and with the help of this, we will color the antlers. The antlers are done. Now to paint the body, we will take the black acrylic color and a thin brush. It's a very easy process. You can give any other animal outline also if you wish to. Or you can also give the outline of a bird. So we are almost done with the body. So this is how our lamp looks without light. And now we have put on the lights and see how beautiful it is looking. You can use this decoration for any special event or occasion in your home. If you have enjoyed my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. for more such wonderful updates.